It's revitalizing. I have mine mixed up right here. I'm drinking it with my water today. Sometimes I drink it with my water. Sometimes I just take like a shot glass. We have 6 shot glasses lined up on our counter so we could all have our Ningxia Red in the morning. And so just depending on how I'm feeling, I'll drink it, you know, sometimes in the morning, or sometimes I'll have an ounce in the morning and an ounce in the afternoon. Throughout the day, you know, kind of keeping my energy levels up. It's super high in antioxidants. It has one of the highest antioxidants values of any food in the world. It is, which of course antioxidants help our bodies get rid of that oxidative stress, keeps our cells nice and healthy. Another thing that Ningxia Red has is D-limonene. So if you want to do a little Google search and find out what D-limonene is good for, it is pretty amazing once you learn what that is about and how that can help your body. The other really awesome thing I like about drinking Ningxia Red, besides how it's just flooding my body and my family's body with nutrients, is that it gives me energy. So a lot of times in the afternoon, you know, right after lunch or after I pick up the kids from school, I'm just like, I am tired and I don't know if I'm going to get through the rest of this day if something doesn't happen. So I'll have my Ningxia Red and it gives me that little energy boost that I need to keep going throughout the day. And not in a way that like I'm going to crash later. So it's really, really awesome to be able to drink that and know that I'm getting all these good things in my body. You know, if you put good things in your body, you're going to get good things out. So another way that we use to just kind of stay above the wellness line, especially during the holidays when there's so many temptations to eat poorly and just lots of different things going on, is to use supplements. One of the supplements we use is called multigreens. So it is a energizing greens formula. It's basically like a salad in a bottle. So, you know, if you have a day where you're like, oh, I'm just not really eating all that well today, it's nice to have something like this that you can just take, and then, you know, it kind of fills in those gaps where your food maybe isn't giving you everything you need that day. The other really cool thing about multigreens and all the supplements that Young Living has is that they're actually infused with essential oils. So what that means for you and your body is that they actually did a study that they tested supplements that didn't have essential oils in them, and then they tested them that did have oils in them and saw like how much was actually absorbed by your body. So they took a supplement that did not have essential oils in it, and after 24 hours they tested, and only 42% of that supplement had been absorbed by the people's bodies. So then they had them take a supplement that had essential oils in it, and after only 1 hour, 86% of that supplement was absorbed by the people in the study. So it just shows you that when the supplements are infused with essential oils, it makes them way more bioavailable to our bodies, and our bodies can just use them and they can get to our cells and just do all the good things that we need them to do, instead of just taking them and peeing them out later. So sorry, that was kind of gross, but that's what happens with a lot of supplements. Supplementing with multigreens, or, you know, a supplement infused with essential oils, is a great way to flood your body with nutrients. One other way that I just want to talk about briefly is you can just drink a lot of water. That's one thing that I try to do every day. This is a quart jar, and I really try to drink 4 of these a day. So I'm getting hopefully a gallon of water a day that I'm drinking. And sometimes I get 3.5, sometimes I get 2.5. It just, but I try to get that 4. And it keeps me full, and it helps me not want to snack as much when I'm drinking a bunch of water. And I know that it's like flushing out toxins and getting rid of stuff that my body doesn't need in it. If you don't like the taste of water, there are a couple things you can do. Dripping a couple drops of lemon or lime Vitality in kind of gives it that citrusy taste and makes it taste really good. I also like grapefruit Vitality in my water, or mixing it with Ningxia Red. That's another really great way to make it not taste like water if you don't like the taste of water. So those are just a few simple ways you can flood your body with nutrients. So we'll keep going.